Welcome back. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a seller account on Temu. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to temu.com. Once there, click on Orders and Account to ensure you're logged into your account. In a new tab, search for Pinduoduo Login and click on the first link that appears. After the page loads, translate it from Chinese to English if needed. Pinduoduo is a cross-border platform. Next, click on the Sign Up option and fill in your information, starting with your phone number. Set a password and enter the verification code you receive on your phone. Click Register to complete the sign-up process. Now let's explore how to sell on Temu. Scroll down on the Temu website to find detailed instructions. You'll see information on joining Temu as a seller, including steps and requirements. Read through all the provided details carefully to ensure clarity. Follow the steps outlined, such as completing the merchant sign-up process. Submit your application and await approval. Continue scrolling for more information and guidance on the selling process. Remember, you can pause the video at any point to review the steps more closely. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful content.